Hi everybody, today I'm going to be showing you guys how I get my hair to look a little bit decent. So because we've been on lockdown, I have not been able to go to the salon and get my hair done, and it's looking really relaxed. But the last time I relaxed my hair was in December, just before Christmas. So I've got regrowth of about 4 months now. So it's tough times for everybody, but I'm going to be showing you guys how you can get your hair to look like it's got a fresh relaxer without relaxing it. So if you want to see how, stay tuned.